Hello everyone. In this tutorial we are going to see how to remove or drop the table. The drop table statement is used to remove the whole table and all its data from the database permanently. Let's consider this table and we want to drop this table. So how we'll do that? This is our syntax. You simply write drop table keywords and after that you mention your table name. So this is your table name. Once you execute this statement, your table will be dropped. Question number 1 asks us to write a SQL query to drop a staff member table and staff department table. We have this table and this one. And once we drop, these both table will be deleted. Let's try to solve this using SQL. Here we are going to drop table. Let me write down caps. And first table is staff members. Just have a look at these two tables on the left side panel. Once I drop this, select this statement and execute. Okay, the table is deleted, right? Now we need to delete one more table, and that table name is staff department table. So we're gonna delete this table too. Now we do not have any table under staff management. That's all for this tutorial. Thank you guys. Take care. Bye bye.